All right, well, I forgot to take a video last night.
Good job, Brinzy.
Springs out. Shock's right there. Put that on the table.
Arm's gonna come up.
Old bum boing is over there.
Old boing boing.
Yeah, I already had the bolts
Loose.
so I'll bust them out right now. So this whole side will be done, and I'll get started on this side.
All right.
And start getting ready to subframe bushing, front clip bushings.
Yep.
Yay.
We'll do those.
Yay.
I'll be back by the time we start those.
Cool, perfect.
You gotta get the whole left front apart too.
Yeah. So I'm gonna do that right now. Get my videos for that.
Boing boings.
Get the boing boing out.
Check the bulge drain on the left front lower.
I'll get a video of that.
Janky like this side was.
I have a feeling not, but like we showed before, this is pretty walled out.
Yeah.
So.
Yeah. Somebody didn't know what the hell they were doing, which that's pretty common. We see.
Yeah.
We see a lot of people's screw ups.
Yes, we do. All right. Well, till the next thing. All right, guys. Got the lower controller arm off. Ben here.
Morning.
Notice there's a brace that goes from here to there to there. So I never took it off. Where we go? But you can see there's a bolt there, but nothing's been bolted.
For it.
So it hasn't been bolted in for a while. So we're gonna let Bobby know. You can let Kyle know and see if we can find one.
You can see it's not been there for a while by the rusting on the plating itself on the K-member.
So there's a lot of things on this side, the passenger side, which majority of the plate, like a little shake. We noticed that this tire here has got a little balding on the outside.
This K-member's been cracked on the rail and rewelded.
Oh, wow. That's crazy. But yeah, he's stopped.
This car's been in an accident on the right front.
Well, that's a possibility. It's an older car. So we're gonna start on the driver's side, start tearing that apart and see what we find on that side. So I'll get back to you guys in a bit. Well, I've been busy on this side. Got the caliper hanging. We got the tie rod disconnected. Sway bars link is out, wherever it went. And got the lower ball joint loose. We're gonna do the upper ball joint right now. And do the same thing with the pickle fork. And go from there. Okay, well, knuckles out. Sway bars out. Home control arm is lowered. Spring is ready to come out. So I'm gonna pop that out right now. Unbolt the lower control arm. And fight with that guy a little bit longer. I got one bolt that's being a little butt right now. So we'll get it. Pretty soon all of this will be out. All right, later.